there, folks. Root Beer here, looking at question 2 on the 2006 8th grade Gauss paper. Which of the following numbers does not divide exactly into 98? And we're given 5 options here. 2, 4, 7, 14, 49. Now, depending on how well you are familiar with the factors of 98, you might easily be able to say, aha, 4. But you don't need to know that. I do recommend that for things like the grade 7 and grade 8 Gauss, you might want to know your numbers up to 100 and how quickly, and what their factors are. And that might be a lot of memorization, so I don't expect everyone out there to be able to do that. But it can sometimes make calculations a little quicker and make you a little less reliant on your calculator. So how would we do this if we didn't say, oh, aha, it must be 4 because I know the number 98 so well? Well, you're going to have to take each one of these answers in turn and ask yourself, do they divide exactly into 98? Okay? And then you can do that with your calculator, or you can just sort of do division however you want. You could be a little clever about it with some things. For example, if 14 divides evenly into 98, then 7 will as well because, well, it's a factor of 14. If 7 doesn't, then 14 wouldn't either. That sort of thing. And you can play around with that and reduce some of that stuff, but ultimately you're going to have to start dividing, so let's take a look here. So, well, does 2 divide into 98? Well, you betcha. You can either work it out as 49 with some long division, or you can just grab your calculator and work it out that way. And we've got 4, 7, 14, and then 49. Now, 98 divided by 49, well, 98 divided by 2 was 49, so 98 divided by 49 should be 2. Okay? There are 2 49s in 98, so there are 49 2s in 98. Okay? Other things you can work out, 98 divided by 7, 98 divided by 14. You're going to get answers 14 and 7 here. And 98 divided by 4, well, that would be like dividing 49 by 2. And you're going to be left with 24.5. Not a number, it's not an integer, so it doesn't evenly divide. So our answer is going to be B, 4 doesn't evenly divide. And of course, if you had to use your calculator, that's fine. Calculators are allowed. Don't think just because I shy away from calculators that you shouldn't be using a calculator. Use whatever tools you have available to make the question as easy as possible. So B4, that would be our answer, and we move right along to question number 3.